Hello everyone, this is Pritika Patel working as an assistant professor in Computer Engineering Department of Mahatma Gandhi Institute of Technical Education and Research Center Navsari. Today in this session we are going to discuss about binary search tree, which is the topic of subject data structure of second year third semester. Now coming to the point, binary search tree. A binary search tree is a binary tree in which each node processed a key that satisfies the following conditions. First is all key are unique. Second, for every node, the value of all key in left subtree are smaller than the value of root. And third one is for every node, the value of all key in right subtree are larger than the value of root. That means we have to satisfy the condition. That is, first condition is all key are unique. So whatever the node we have insert in binary search tree, which having all key values are unique. So there is no repetition of key value is allowed. Then second condition is in every node left subtree are always smaller than the root value of the tree. And in third condition there will be a right subtree have a larger value than the root node. So the tree which satisfy these three conditions are called binary search tree. Now we have to construct binary search tree. For this, the following data are given. Now first this 50 is become a root node. Then we have to insert value 25. Now we have to remember the conditions which we have discussed in definition slide, that all the key value are unique. There is no repetition of key value in binary search tree. And second condition is the value of left subtree is always smaller than root, and the value of right subtree is always greater than the root. Now here we have to insert 25. So 25 is smaller than 50. So we have to put this value 25 in left side of this node 50. Now next value is 75. Now 75 is greater than 50, so we have to put it in right side of 50. So 75 is put over here. Now 22. Now again 22 is a lesser value than root, so we have to put it in left side of 50, and again 25 is left side. So 22 is become a left node of root, uh, left node of parent 25. Now next value is 40. Now 40 is smaller than 50, that is our root. So the value which is smaller than root is located on left subtree. So now we have to check that 40 is lesser than 50. So now come here and check that 40 is greater than 25. So it will become the right child of 25. Now next key value is 60. Now 60 is greater than 50. So it will put in right side of root node 50. In right side here already 75 is there, and 60 is lesser than 75. So 60 is located on the left child of 75. Now next key value is 80. Now again 80 is greater than 50, so it is located on right side of root node. In right side 75 is already located over here, and 80 is greater than 75, so it will be a right child of 75. Now next is 90. Now again 90 is greater than 50, that is root. So we have to check that 75 is lesser than 90. So again go through towards this position, this direction. Again here 80 is located and 90 is again greater than 80, so 90 is become a right child of 80. Now next key value, that is 15. Now 15 is smaller than 50, right? So we have to go left side of root, then check 25 is already over here and 25 is greater than 15, so we have to go left side. Again 22 is over here and 15 is lesser than 22, so we have to put this 15 as an left child of 22. Now last key value is 30. Now 30 is again lesser than 15, so we have to check for next node. Next node is 25 and 30 is greater than 25, so we have to go right side of 25. Then there is a node 40 which is greater than 30, so 30 is become a left child of node 30. So this way we can construct binary search tree by using key value. Now this is the example. By using this data, you have to construct binary search tree. Now next is search a node in binary search tree. To search for target value, we first compare it with the key at root of the tree. If it is not same, we go to the either left subtree or right subtree as appropriate and repeat the search in subtree. If we have in order list and we want to search for specific node, it requires O(n) time. In case of binary tree, it requires O log n time to search a node. Now next is delete node from binary search tree. Now here delete from leaf node. Now here if we want to delete this node A which is a leaf node of the tree, then after delete node A, our tree become like this. So easily we can remove the leaf node and remaining tree become our binary search tree. So in binary search tree, if there is a node which we want to delete, there is a leaf node, then we can easily delete this node, right? Then delete node having one child. Here we have to delete this node A which have one child. For that, if we delete a node A, then this node B become a parent node. Now next is delete a node having two child. So here A is a node which having two child, that is left and right. If we want to delete this A, then we have to check that in right subtree of this node, and from this the smallest element we have to pick and copy it into the position of A. So now C is located over here and this is having two child, left child and right child, and then again B is located over here because it is smaller than this node, and this node having two node, that is left and right. Thank you.